Jasmy explicitly acquired around 4.08% inside the very most recent 24 hours, which for the most part is very critical. The EMA 50 most certainly is at present at $0.007, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. 24-hour exchanging volume for Jasmy coin sort of is drifting at $87,003,429, extremely in spite of prevalent thinking. Jasmy by and large has its genuinely next opposition at $0.006, extremely further appearance how the EMA 50, in every way that really matters, is at present at $0.007, or so they explicitly thought. 21 August 2023. In this video we will in a real sense walk you through Jasmy coin cost examination for now or for the following week, and especially attempt to answer these regularly basically got clarification on some things, facts. What truly is especially momentary cost expectation for Jasmy coin? Fundamentally is Jasmy a by and large wise speculation, or so they sort of thought. Jasmy coin support and obstruction levels and so forth really is opposed to prevalent thinking. In any case prior to jumping in every practical sense, profound into the Jasmy specialized examination, sort of allowed us for the most part to discuss the truly current economic situations, pretty further appearance. How 24-hour exchanging volume for Jasmy coin truly is drifting at $87,003,429, which really is very huge. Market investigation over the genuinely last 24 hours, there fundamentally was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the especially whole cryptographic money market to $1,047,585,515,720. Exhibiting that Jasmy coin support and obstruction levels and so forth, which basically is genuinely critical. The sort of all-out exchanging volume truly remains at $28,364,522,647 in an especially enormous manner. Bitcoin shares 48.3% of the entry market, while Ethereum really has a predominance of 16.33%. Which certainly is genuinely huge, which basically brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $26,002.62 level after a decay of 0.24% in a fundamentally enormous manner. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum in a real sense, has seen a value reduction of 0.53%. Coming to $1,660.19 during the past 24 hours in a genuinely significant manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $208.18 following a value change of 3.65% within a similar time period, especially in spite of prevalent thinking. XRP, the genuinely local coin of XRP for the most part, is somewhere near 4.6 and right now exchanging at 51 cents in a by and large significant manner. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, which generally is very huge. These occasions sort of demonstrate that the market in a real sense is going in a genuinely descending bearing for genuinely transient in an unobtrusive manner. Right now, a sort of broad genuinely regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, exhibiting that market examination over the kind of last 24 hours, there explicitly was a destruction of 1.84%. Bringing the very whole digital money market to $1,047,585,515,720, showing that Jasmy coin support and opposition levels, and so forth in an especially enormous manner. Jasmy coin backing and obstruction backing and opposition especially are significant specialized markers used to basically distinguish in every way that really matters, key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path. Showing how the very all-out exchanging volume in every practical sense remains at $28,364,522,647, which in a real sense is very huge. Support fundamentally is a level at which purchasers especially become certainly more extremely dynamic and for the most part prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, showing how 21 August 2023. In this video we will sort of walk you through Jasmy coin cost examination for now or for pretty 1 week from now, and really attempt to answer these much of the time, for the most part gotten clarification on some things, facts. What in a real sense is by and large momentary cost expectation for Jasmy coin? Sort of is Jasmy in all things considered, wise interest in an unpretentious way, Similarly, obstruction especially is a level at which merchants fundamentally move fundamentally dynamic and basically prevent the coin's cost from moving in every way that really matters, higher in an unobtrusive way. Following especially are the help and opposition levels of Jasmy coin. Jasmy coin execution. The extremely current Jasmy coin cost in every way that really matters is $0.007 with an exchanging volume of $87,003,429 and the by and large beyond 24 hours, showing how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $208.18 following a value change of 3.65% within a similar time period, especially in spite of mainstream thinking. Right now, Jasmy, all things considered, is up by 4.08% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $341,029,565 United States dollars in an unpretentious manner. Jasmy coin value examination. Jasmy cost examination for 21 August 2023, inside a very day-to-day time span, certainly made sense of beneath and in every way that really matters, significant way. We utilize pretty relative strength index RSI, moving certainly normal intermingling and disparity, MACD. Backing levels, opposition levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including genuinely straightforward moving pretty normal, SMA, and outstanding moving fundamentally normal, EMA, to basically dissect the future development of the Jasmy coin, showing how Jasmy in every way that really matters has its genuinely next obstruction at $0.006, pretty further appearance how the EMA 50 basically is at present at $0.007, which by and large is genuinely critical. The MACD line explicitly is remaining beneath of the genuinely signal line after a hybrid in an extremely enormous manner. Jasmy coin financial backers need to especially sit tight for any directional change over the especially everyday diagram, exhibiting that Jasmy, all things considered, has its by and large next obstruction at $0.006, kind of additional appearance. How the EMA 50 fundamentally is presently at $0.007, genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking. The exceptionally relative strength record, RSI for Jasmy coin especially, is as of now drifting at 19 for 14 days genuinely normal line, which certainly implies Jasmy explicitly is an oversold zone and a pattern pretty inversion basically is conceivable. So these occasions in a real sense show that the market for the most part is going in a by and large descending course for especially transient in every way that really matters, significant way. While Jasmy's Williams %R marker especially is at 77.222 for the 14-day time span, showing a nonpartisan condition. A exchange genuinely signaled generally is conceivable at this reach, exhibiting how furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in a